Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So before we jump into the video, let's give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you're new around here, go ahead and hit subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so you'll be alerted every time you post a new video. So stocks fell back today, guys, giving back some of the gains on the run from yesterday, but oil prices jumped. And this stock is ready to run, guys. So let's go ahead and get into the video, share with you guys the stock. You already know, if you've been following the channel, we've been in on this play, one of the smaller ones out of the bunch. It's ticker symbol CEI. It's in the day at 99 cents, guys. Had a solid day straight out of the gate this morning. We seen the buying pressure, we seen the demand, ran up, hovered around that 101, 102, right where that first resistant points was. We end up breaking it, but coming towards the middle of the day, right near lunchtime, whenever it's more vulnerable to fall back in price action due to people going on lunch, day traders, short-term investors pulling out of the stock until power hour. So seeing that it still held up in the 90s at 96 cents throughout the day, and then come power hour, the most important hour of the day as well, we still held up in the 90s, didn't go no lower than 96 cents, and also regained momentum and went up and touched the dollar again, and then trading at the hours at 99 cents at the time of recording. So solid day overall for CEI, and this bad boy is ready to rumble. I believe so, guys. We've been in since the 70-ish cents range. We've been alerted, so if anyone on the channel got in, you should be most definitely up in the profits. And like I always say, never get too greedy, never worry about where everybody else getting out at or getting in at. As long as you got in and you up in profits, worry about you and consider always locking in. You always want to be quick to lock in profits, guys. Never be greedy. I understand if you have a smaller amount of quantity and shares and you're not making much right now, but you got to start small and build up those crumbs and before you can get the whole pie, guys. Don't look at your small start right now as because you always doing better than somebody, guys. And like I tell you guys, my first trade, my first investment, when I first got involved in the stock market, when I made $5, $10 on the trade, I was excited, like really happy. And because I knew I was just wanting to understand the process, understand the whole characteristics of the market, and then that way, once I learned the game and was more comfortable, I knew that $5 could have been 50, could have been 500, could have been 5,000. Only thing I needed was more quantity in the shares. So don't be discouraged by those small amounts. If you up a small amount, take those profits. I'm not telling you to sell or take it, do whatever you want to do, because I'm still holding on to my CEI. I believe it has more potential, and I usually sell when I'm up. I sell on the downside. If it break below a certain point, I get rid of it. Still, I left out with a profit, but I stayed long enough to see if it had more legs to go even further. Sometimes I might sell out too early once it pulled back on me, but I still left with a profit. And it ain't no guarantees of what any asset or security is going to do. So always protect yourself and always take gains, guys, and always cut losses quickly. You want to be quick on both ends. Some you want to let run, but it all depends on the characteristics and the process and you got to look at all different angles. It ain't just one thing that you're gonna look at to know whenever you should let your runners run. So that just comes every now and then, but majority of the times I'm taking. Once I took enough profits and I got enough leverage, now I can afford to let some run just a little bit. But I'm conservative. That's why I say always find yourself, always find your type of style, your best setups. Always find, you don't have to, you ain't gonna never get nowhere trying to copy nobody, mimic nobody. So always just find yourself, what works best for you, and that's how you become the best at this game, guys. So you already know we watching CEI, guys, because we most definitely believe CEI has more potential, guys. We went up after breaking through 101. We hit 105 as a high today. That next resistance is right around 107. That's why we got stopped out at 105. We break above 107 tomorrow, this thing could fly straight to around 128 before we stop out again. After breaking through 128, our main resistance, what we need to get up to, is $1.81. If we break above $1.81 with ease and hold up firmly, this thing could run quick. That's when the real jumps will start happening, guys. If you look back, Once you break 128, we have no walls in between, straight up to the $3, the high $3 range. That doesn't necessarily mean once it break 181, it's going to go straight there. Of course not. It's going to be choppy. It's going to be volatility with all the attention that this stock is having right now. So with that being said, expect, you know, ups and downs in the choppiness, but that's just give you a perspective that 181 is the key level. Once broken, it can move way faster than it have been done previously, guys. So you already know, keep this on your radar, guys. We don't know the exact day, time, or hour when it's going to do what it do, but it most definitely can. One of those plays that can turn a little bit of money to a lot of money, but it can also turn a lot of money to a little bit of money, guys. Hope y'all get y'all head wrapped around that. I'll be using that and saying that because it's true. The market will humble you. It done humble me. So you already know, guys. You live and you learn through the market. You know, enjoy what you're doing. Love it. You know, you got to pay your market tuition if you're new, all that good stuff. I just try to throw little gems out there to anybody new. You know, new people be discovering the channel daily, so you never know who it may touch. So anyways, guys, that's all I got for this video. Y'all already know I love y'all. Add your boy over on Instagram right now at the B Hayes Show. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you. We gone.